friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pizza in a capsicum. Very delicious and easy pizza recipe that you can make in a kadai. You will get a very nice capsicum flavor in this pizza, so definitely a treat for all the capsicum and pizza lovers. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken a nice and fresh capsicum. Chop off the top like this. Now cut the joints and remove the seeds off. If you have a few seeds left, that's totally fine. To this, add 2 tablespoons of maida. Quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Quarter teaspoon of baking powder. And quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Now to this, add 2 tablespoons of milk. And a teaspoon of olive oil. The olive oil gives a very nice flavor and gives an Italian touch to our recipe. If you don't have olive oil, you can use regular cooking oil. Mix well and make sure no lumps are formed. Now we are ready with our pizza dough. It should be a little more of a sticky consistency than a regular pizza dough. Top it with a thin layer of pizza sauce. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can go with ketchup or tomato sauce. Evenly level it. Then top it with 2 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese. You can be generous in adding mozzarella cheese for better cheese pull. You can go with any processed cheese. Now top it with some chopped onions and capsicums. You can also add jalapenos or olives. You can be creative in this part. Finally, drizzle some pizza seasoning. You can go with any brand of your choice. Now it's ready to get baked. Heat a kadai and place a capsicum pizza in the center. Close with the lid and cook for 20 minutes in low flame. It's been 20 minutes, so let's now open and check. The capsicum pizza is nicely done and ready. The mozzarella cheese is nicely melted and the base is perfectly cooked. You can enjoy this capsicum pizza right away with your family and friends. Very easy and delicious recipe. You can make and enjoy this recipe in no time whenever you crave for pizzas. Kids will love this capsicum pizza, so do try this capsicum pizza recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.